Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is Corel Draw 2019 only, I believe. If somebody knows better, I wish they would chime in and let me know. But live guidelines, I've never seen this before. And you open this up, and I just showed a video about intelligent spacing, and this one's going to be about intelligent dimensioning. So if you've got an object, well, I'll tell you what, let's just make one object. So I've got one object on the page. I want to, now very easily you can make a duplicate, but if you wanted it particular in the space, it's going to tell you, if I can do it good, there's the exact dimension of that other item, and I'm going to hit P to show you that it is exactly the same. And I'm pretty sure it would work with two objects on the page. See, it's telling you its height, and we just need to get the width in there again. So that's intelligent dimensioning under your guidelines, under your live guidelines. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.